Hey, we are at another estate sale today. Check it out. I am so excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go on in. 4 to 2. Look at this room. Wow. Let's hope not. Yeah, that's pretty. Nothing back here. Shoes. Like, my feet have not been that Cinderella. This house is pretty.
Mystery where the lady
Yes.
comes over here and somehow she falls down the stairs.
I was actually thinking, because I'm on chapter 17, I might work and there is a stairwell scene.
Those other people in class.
It's way back. Hey, hey. That's $4.75.
Still here and you want it.
Do you know how big this would look in my time?
Yeah.
Oh, nice game.
There's some little cookbooks over here.
Check this out.
Oh, for making it yourself. That makes sense. So I'm like,
Looks like something Mom would have owned. Little cardinals.
they're all little different things. Coordinated pieces.
What is this? The tiniest little lemonade glass ever?
Maybe.
Are they for like a...
I did, I got that. How heavy is that? Because you're still knocking over.
Yeah, we'll match my
Maybe. There you go. Water and food. Oh, Karen. Yeah. Should have got it at that other place.
Back seat, if we put it in the back seat, she could put the eggs in it while we go.
Eggs and cheese in it.
And
What we do.
No.
Look at this. They have a wine cellar even.
Hey, look at this, a little wine room. Fancy.
Look at the paper dolls. That
clothes.
is cool.
She reminds me of Ava Gardner.
Might
Or-
be. Farm living is a life for me.
Dressed actually on that show.
Dedicated. Just like when I want to see, hey, here I am. to go first? Aha, Christmas. Yeah.
Ooh, look at this little tiny one. This is kind of cute.
Yeah, I thought those were neat. I liked this. Frosty's hat. I like Frosty's hat.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
look at all her. Oh, he's cute.
This is the one I wanted to see.
That's really fancy.
It is. Super fancy.
Ooh, look at the
Aww.
Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh.
And
Santa moon. Look at that angel. She
oh
is
my.
glittery. Glittery.
Glitterly. I don't know how you said it. Glitterly.
Glittery. Has 4 cups of milk and 4 cups of mayonnaise.
Wow.
1 pound of wieners.
Now she's like, I'm not enjoying it anymore. I'm on camera.
This is like for the whole community. The potato salad
There
is
is
24 potato salad.
Don't stub your toe.
24 potatoes, 8 cups of milk,
Don't stub your toe.
8 cups of
There, she made
mayonnaise.
it. We're so worried about her. And all she cared about was this recipe.
Yep.
We're about to go into another estate sale on the hottest day of the year. It's supposed to get up to like 97 today. 70% humidity, something ridiculous like that. Look at this chair.
These pretty plates. I don't want them to be. I guess because they probably brought them all down to the same place.
Yeah.
It's kind of cute, isn't
It
it?
is.
See the same one?
That's cute. Oh.
Christmas presents.
Oh, those are cute.
There's all kinds of Christmas.
It doesn't look like it'd be all that comfy, honestly. Or maybe it would be.
Sometimes those kind of chairs surprise me.
Yeah, I'm in here.
Watching.
That's cute, but which room? I don't know. Santa is grilling. Sorry. 1942. Look at this. Yeah, that's cool. It's a reader for school. Christian reader. Hey, what'd you get? Sweet.
40% off.
Oh, and it opens up. Well, it is part 2 of the same house that was so super cooled off the last time we were here. We're back. We're gonna see if they have a garden trellis.
Arch.
Arch, let's go. I didn't get any of that filmed, but we just had a heck of a time loading what we just bought, and someone's backing in, Karen's helping them. And if you're our friend, you're gonna have to climb in the back of the truck and help us, because that's what we just did to poor Mary. Thank you, Mary. Hey guys, I'll see you at the house and I'll show you the haul. So Karen got this chair. It also came with this pillow. We found this cool German recipe book, and we got this picnic basket. And Karen, and she's gonna use them as bowls for her kitty cat, for his food and water. It's right here. Can you see it? Can you make out what it is? Look at this arch. Trellis. I love it. Have some work to do. Those are rusted out, so we're gonna take those off and put new iron bars on. And there's some rusty spots. I'm gonna get a wire brush and clean it up. But I love it. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to put it in the back and grow some blackberries and clematis on it. It's gonna be really pretty. So excited. Well, y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.